Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear class 9. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. This is our lecture number 6 of subject English. In this lecture, we will learn future indefinite tense active voice sentences. In this lecture, I'll tell you the structure, formation and examples of affirmative sentences, negative sentences, interrogative sentences of future indefinite tense. You will solve all the solved examples and unsolved exercises from book English Grammar and Composition, page number 117, 118, 119, 120. The page numbers of the book are variable in some books, so you will open the topic future indefinite tense and find out the solved examples and unsolved exercises. I'll share the pictures of these examples and exercises from the book later. First of all, we will discuss what is future indefinite tense. Future indefinite indicates that an action or occurrence has not happened yet but will take place in future. When an action is going to be take place in future, then that is future indefinite tense. Definition is future indefinite indicates that an action or occurrence has not happened yet and will take place in future. Its recognition in Urdu sentences is at the end of the Urdu sentences the words ga, gi, ge. For example, वो स्कूल जाएगा, वो खाना खाएगी. So in these sentences the ending of Urdu sentence is at ga, gi, ge. We will discuss the structure and formation of the sentences of future indefinite tense. For affirmative sentences are simple sentences, negative sentences and interrogative sentences. Affirmative sentences, first of all we place subject, then will or shall according to subject. Will is used with all pronouns and nouns except I and we, and shall is used with I and we. If the sentence has stress, then the use of will shall will be opposite. For example, मैं ज़रूर वजीफ़ा हासिल करूँगा, then we use I shall get scholarship. No, we use I will get scholarship. The use of shall and will be opposite or reversed when a sentence may have stress. So now we'll again discuss affirmative sentences. First of all we write subject, then will or shall according to subject, then we will write first form of verb. After first form we will write object. In negative sentences, structure is subject plus will or shall plus not plus verb first form plus object and full stop. Interrogative sentences, will place will shall at first, will or shall plus subject plus verb first form plus object, and at the end we will use question mark. Now I will discuss some examples of future indefinite tense. Affirmative sentences, the structure is subject plus will shall plus verb first form plus object full stop. वो हर रोज़ सबक सुनाएगी. In this sentence, वो is subject, sabak object, सुनाएगी verb. According to structure, we place subject first, वो, then we use she. Subject is she. we use will with she will सुनाएगी tell, she will tell the lesson daily. Subject helping verb will or shall, she will. Then verb first form tell, object the lesson daily. Next sentence is मैं अपने दोस्तों को रुखसत करूँगा. मैं subject I. We use shall with I. I shall verb first form see off, रुखसत करूँगा see off my friends. I shall see off my friends. मैं वजीफ़ा हासिल करके रहूँगा. इन दिस सेंटेंस करके रहूँगा shows that this sentence has stress, ज़रूरी, लाजमी, compulsory. Then the use of will or shall be opposite. मैं I. We normally use shall with I, but in case of stress करके रहूँगा, thus will or shall will be opposite. I will get a scholarship. Negative sentences, मनफी फिक्रे. The structure of negative sentences is subject plus will or shall plus not plus verb first form plus object full stop. First sentence is नौकर खत डाक में नहीं डालेगा. In this sentence नौकर is subject, खत डाला जा रहा है, जो काम जिस पे काम किया जाए उसको ऑब्जेक्ट कहते हैं. ऑब्जेक्ट डालेगा, डाक में नहीं डालेगा, वर्ब. According to structure we will write subject नौकर, the servant will, we use will with servant. The servant will not, verb first form post, डाक में डालना means post, खत object the letter. The servant will not post the letter. हम डॉक्टर को नहीं बुलाएंगे. We subject हम, we shall not send for the doctor. We use shall with I and we. We shall not send. You can use call also. We shall not send for the doctor. तुम अपनी गलती को नहीं मानोगे. You subject will not, मानोगे verb first form admit your mistake, अपनी गलती. You will not admit your mistake. Interrogative sentences, सवालिया फिक्रात. Will shall plus subject plus verb first form plus object plus question mark. The structure is will shall plus subject plus verb first form plus object plus question mark. तुम मकान कब खाली करोगे. तुम subject, मकान object, खाली करोगे verb, कब question word. Question word is always at first place. When, कब, when. Then after that we will follow the structure. When will or shall, when will you vacate the house. When will you vacate the house question mark. क्या वो दुकानदार कम तोल देगा. Will the shopkeeper give short weight or short measure. Will the shopkeeper give short weight. तुम्हारी मुखालफत कौन करेगा. कौन is question word, then we place who at first and then after that we will write will. Who will oppose you. तुम्हारी मुखालफत कौन करेगा. Who will oppose you. In this sentence there is no subject. This sentence is without subject, so we write who then will. We have not written any subject in this sentence because this sentence is who sentence. Question sentence who does not have any subject, so we write after will verb first form oppose and then object you. Who will oppose you question mark. क्या मैं अपनी किताब शाया करूँगा. Shall I publish my book. Shall I publish my book? Question mark. Friends, open your book, page number 117. Lesson number 6 is future indefinite tense. Affirmative sentence is active voice. You will practice these sentences. These are the examples on page number 117. वो मुझे मिलने आएगा, वो हर रोज़ अपना सबक सुनाएगी, वो सुबह सैर को जाएंगे. The full page 117 and the next one is page number 118 on my book. Exercise. You will practice this exercise on your rough binders. मुसाफिर सुबह सामान बांध लेंगे, वो अपने दुश्मन को माफ़ कर देंगे, etc. This exercise has 15 sentences. After that, the next exercise is हम तुम्हारा इंतज़ार करेंगे, सिर्फ चंद लड़के इम्तिहान देंगे. This exercise also have 15 sentences. After that, you will discuss or you will practice these examples on page number 118 and page number 119. After that, there is an exercise again which has 15 sentences. पाकिस्तान सीमेंट दरामद नहीं करेगा, दुश्मन जंग नहीं जीतेगा. And after that, there are some examples of interrogative sentences. And next page, page number 120. There are some examples and one exercise which also has 15 sentences. क्या तुम अपने दोस्त को पहचान लोगे, वो हमें अपनी बंदूक देने से क्यों इनकार करेंगे. This exercise is last exercise of our future indefinite tense. After that, the next tense starts. So practice all these exercises on your rough binders and examples as well. Students, we have discussed future indefinite tense completely in our lecture number 6. It is your diary to practice solved examples and unsolved exercises from English grammar and composition book, which I have shown you on page number 117, 18, 19 and 120 on my book. The pages may be variable on your book, but the exercises are same. Practice these exercises and examples on your rough binders. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.